Claims are battles fought in the arena of business. They are assertions of rights, demands for what is owed. The stakes are high. Fortunes can be won or lost. Reputations hang in the balance. To master the art of claim presentation is to master a form of power. It is the ability to persuade, to influence, to secure victory in the face of opposition. This is not a skill learned overnight. It requires patience, strategy, and an understanding of human nature. The process begins long before the claim is ever submitted. It starts with meticulous record keeping, a keen eye for detail, and an awareness of the potential for disputes. Like a general preparing for war, a successful claimant anticipates challenges and prepares accordingly. This guide will serve as your map through the treacherous terrain of claim presentation. Follow it closely, and you will be well equipped to navigate the complexities and emerge victorious. Before you can demand compensation, you must first establish a solid foundation for your claim. This begins with a clear understanding of the events that led to the dispute. Gather all relevant documents, contracts, correspondence, meeting minutes, and any other records that support your position. Organize these materials meticulously, creating a timeline of events and identifying key players. Remember, you are building a case. Every piece of evidence, no matter how small, could prove crucial. Treat each document with care and ensure its authenticity is beyond question. The success of your claim hinges on the strength of your foundation. Build it with care, and you will be well positioned to secure the compensation you deserve. History, they say, is written by the victors. In the realm of claims, history is written in contracts, correspondence, and the annals of past projects. It is within these records that you will find the ammunition for your claim. Delve into the archives. Unearth past projects with similar scopes of work, contractual provisions, or parties involved. Identify trends, patterns, and precedents that bolster your position. Remember, you are not limited to your own records. Industry databases, legal journals, and even news articles can provide valuable insights and strengthen your claim. The more comprehensive your research, the more persuasive your argument will be. Contracts are the lifeblood of business. They are the agreements that bind parties together, outlining rights, responsibilities, and remedies in the event of a dispute. Mastering the language of contracts is essential for successful claim presentation. Scrutinize every word, every clause, every definition. Identify the provisions that support your claim and those that may pose challenges. Do not be afraid to seek legal counsel. An experienced attorney can help you navigate the complexities of contract law and craft a compelling legal argument. Remember, the contract is your weapon. Wield it with precision and confidence. Section 5. Echoes of Success. The Art of Citing Precedents. In the legal world, precedent is king. Judges and arbitrators often look to past rulings to guide their decisions. By citing relevant precedents, you can strengthen your claim and increase your chances of success. And start by researching similar claims within the same project area or involving the same client. These cases carry significant weight as they demonstrate established patterns of behavior and decision making. Next, broaden your search to include claims with identical or similar contractual provisions. even if they arose in different industries or jurisdictions. The goal is to demonstrate that your interpretation of the contract is consistent with established legal principles. Finally, consider citing arbitration awards or court judgments that support your position. While these rulings may not be binding on your case, they can provide persuasive authority and influence the decision maker. Section 6. Painting a picture, the weight of supporting data. Data is the lifeblood of any successful claim. It transforms allegations into concrete evidence, painting a clear picture of the events in question. Site records, work diaries, and daily reports provide a chronological account of the project, documenting progress, delays, and any unforeseen circumstances. These records should be detailed and contemporaneous, created as events unfold rather than after the fact. Photographs and videos serve as powerful visual evidence, capturing the physical realities of the project. Ensure your images are clear, well labeled, and accompanied by a description of what they depict. Certificates of completion, inspection reports, and expert opinions lend credibility to your claim. These documents provide independent verification of your assertions and bolster your credibility. Remember, the more comprehensive your data, the more persuasive your claim will be. Section 7. The language of numbers, crafting a compelling financial case. Numbers tell a story. They quantify the impact of delays, disruptions, and defects. A well-constructed financial presentation is essential for securing the full compensation you deserve. Begin by calculating your actual costs, including labor, materials, equipment, and overhead. Provide detailed breakdowns, supporting your calculations with invoices, payroll records, and other relevant documentation. Next, analyze the impact of the events leading to your claim. Did delays force you to incur overtime costs? Did disruptions require you to resequence work and lose productivity? Quantify these impacts using industry standard methods and provide clear explanations for your calculations. Remember, clarity is key. Present your financial data in a clear, concise, and easily understandable manner. Section 8. The Art of Persuasion, presenting your claim with finesse. You've gathered your evidence, crafted your arguments, and quantified your damages. Now, it's time to present your claim with the finesse and persuasiveness of a seasoned negotiator. Your claim letter should be a masterpiece of concision and clarity. Begin with a succinct executive summary outlining the key facts, your contractual basis, and the relief you seek. Follow with a detailed narrative, weaving together the threads of your claim: the project background, the events leading to the dispute, your contractual analysis, and the supporting evidence. Use headings, subheadings, and bullet points to enhance readability. Maintain a professional and respectful tone throughout. Avoid emotional language or personal attacks. Your goal is to persuade, not to antagonize. Remember, your claim letter is your opportunity to make a compelling case for compensation. Treat it with the importance it deserves. Section 9. Securing your victory. Final thoughts and strategies. The journey to a successful claim doesn't end with submission. Be prepared to negotiate, to compromise, and to defend your position with tenacity and grace. Respond promptly to any requests for information or clarification. Maintain open lines of communication with the opposing party. Seek common ground while remaining firm in your resolve to secure fair compensation. Consider alternative dispute resolution methods such as mediation or arbitration. These processes can often lead to faster and more cost-effective resolutions than traditional litigation. Remember, the art of claim presentation is a delicate dance between assertiveness and diplomacy. Master this balance, and you will be well positioned to secure your rightful compensation.